Apple confirmed iOS 27 at its WWDC 2026 keynote on June 8. So which iPhones get the update and which ones already got cut? Here is the full compatibility list. iOS 27 keeps the exact same hardware floor as iOS 26, the A13 Bionic. That makes the iPhone 11 and iPhone SE second generation the oldest supported models. No iPhone that ran iOS 26 gets dropped this year. The supported list runs from iPhone 11 all the way up to the iPhone 17 lineup. That covers the 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 series in between. Both the iPhone SE 2nd Gen and 3rd Gen run iOS 27 too. The phones people expect to lose support, the iPhone XS and XR, were actually cut a year earlier in iOS 26. Those A12 models top out at iOS 18. The older iPhone 10, 8, and 8 Plus stopped at iOS 16. There is a second hardware layer for Apple Intelligence. It requires the A17 Pro chip and 8 GB of RAM, which means iPhone 15 Pro or newer. That rules out the iPhone 14 Pro and the standard iPhone 15, even though both run iOS 27. Getting iOS 27 installed and getting every feature are two separate things. Every compatible model gets the new camera modes, Safari upgrades, and system changes, but only A17 Pro and up get the Siri chat interface, visual intelligence, and third-party AI extensions. If you own an iPhone 11, here is the honest picture. It installs every iOS 27 system feature, but it misses Apple Intelligence, since that needs the A17 Pro. And a 6-year-old A13 chip can feel a little slower under the newest operating system. Here is the rollout. On June 8, the WWDC keynote brought developer beta 1 installable the same day. The public beta arrives in mid-July with no developer account needed. The full public release lands in mid-September in Settings Software Update. Bottom line, if you own an iPhone 11 or later, you already get iOS 27 free, no upgrade needed. The only real reason to buy new hardware is Apple Intelligence, and the entry point for that is the iPhone 15 Pro. For the full device list, the dropped models, and exactly which AI features need which chip, read the complete guide at phone.tips. Thanks for watching.